Today is officially my birthday. Thank you. Say hi.
Moonlight peeks through the curtains. Another night, another fight. Do you feel or are you hurting? Maybe we should take some time. I think I tend to take you for granted, but I think with me you misunderstand it. You say you think you might just abandon us. Don't leave, no, please not now. If you need to breathe, we can figure this out. Don't pack the bags, don't leave the keys. Find your peace and clarity. Take a day, take a week. Baby, just stay with me. Baby, just stay with me. Now I smell wine in the bedroom. You can get me when you're drunk. Apathy is how I get through. Until you ask me what I want. Don't leave, no, please not now. If you need to breathe, we can figure this out. Don't pack the bags, don't leave the keys. Find your peace and clarity. Take a day, take a week. Baby, just stay with me. Did you really mean it? Are you thinking you might run? Maybe we should sleep on it. Just wait till the morning comes. 'Cause yes, I really mean it. I'm half the man when you're not around. Baby, we can make it. Oh, to us. Don't leave,
Say hi.
don't leave, no, please not now. If you need to breathe, we can figure this out. Don't pack the bags, don't leave the keys. Find your peace and clarity. Take a day, take a week. Baby, just stay with me. Baby, just stay with me.
Today is officially the end of my birthday.